switch the machine. So take out switch change switch. Trong switch này miền toothpaste mình này have negative, have light, have H. Then I'm check out the show one by one. This one the nut. One, two. Always use two. This switch use 220 voltage. Yeah, take out the change the class. This one have three kind. One brown, blue, yellow, green. This one for each. If the machine don't have this one, machine ground have ground. This one always use have light, negative. This one. Now check out and then turn the screw. I return. So if no return, this if the set up the machine, the load the screw. Below the screw, don't have screw. How to repair? Return. This one, the Phillips screw have magnet. Easy to use this one. Easy to use the screw. It have magnet. Okay. I check out what I want to set up the new machine. I check out what I want. You see, this one I have two. This one have one. This one black for capacitor. Now I saw how to use the capacitor. This one use for the capacitor. So if you need the remove the motor sample, go the running like this. Running. If you remove like this, remove the black together blue, come back the motor come back, because this one the starter motor, the starter. So take out for the setup new the line, the machine. This one I set up. Turn a screw, yes. Okay. I turn to set up the machine. This one, yes, okay. So this, okay. The screw and this.